Cylindrical capstar. Cylindrical capstar consists of two conducting cylinders placed coaxially. Suppose this is a cylinder and length of this cylinder is L. We are consider another cylinder inside this cylinder and each cylinder is of length L and radii are A and B. Suppose the radii of this part is A and radii from this point up to outer surface is B. Plus Q charge be given to cylinder and minus Q be induced in the inner surface. So minus charge we will give the inner surface of the cylinder Q. So this is a inner surface Q and it is negative charge minus Q, and here is positive charge plus Q given to cylinder P. Suppose this is P. Outer surface is earthed. Let us consider lambda is surface charge density as electric field at a distance from axis of cylinder is given by E is equals to lambda over 2 pi epsilon naught r. Suppose we are consider a Gaussian surface. This is Gaussian surface. Now the question arises, why electric field we are taking lambda over 2 pi epsilon naught r. As we know that by Gauss theorem, closed integral E dot ds is equals to q over epsilon naught. So we can write as this q over epsilon naught, and surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RL. So we will integrate this. So we will find S q over epsilon naught. So surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RL q over epsilon naught. So we will find E is equals to, we will put surface charge density lambda is equals to q over L. So q is equals to lambda L, we can write as, so E is equals to lambda L over 2 pi epsilon naught RL. So it will be cancelled. We will get lambda over 2 pi epsilon naught R. This is the electric field at a distance from the axis of cylinder. At electric field at point because of outer cylinder is 0 because it is earthed. Now charge on capstar Q is equals to lambda L. So potential difference between the cylinder V is equal to, as we know, we will take the limit A to B E dr. So we will integrate this and we will put the value E from here, lambda over 2 pi epsilon naught r dr. So it will take lambda over 2 pi epsilon naught and integrate the term dr over r. Mathematically we can write as ln r and limit is A to B. Here ln is natural log. So 2 pi epsilon naught we will put the limit here, ln b minus ln natural log a, or lambda over 2 pi epsilon naught ln b over a. We can write this. As we know that C is equals to Q over V, so we will put the value of V, and value of K is lambda L, lambda over 2 pi epsilon naught ln B upon A. Here it will cancel, so C will 4 pi epsilon naught L ln B over